Hello everybody, good morning to everyone and good evening there in the Philippines. So guys, it's Sunday today here. Easter day, so perfect to go to the church guys. Yes. Punta kaya kami ngayon sa church guys with my partner. Yes. So guys, perfect kayo guys, very nice kayong weather guys. So we take advantage also for the weather and then we perfect because it's Easter day today and then we gotta go to the church guys. So samahan nyo kami mag-church guys. Ayan, punta tayo sa church ngayon. Very perfect, right? To go to church for today. Ayan. So talagang mag-church tayo guys. Ayan. Magpapasalamat tayo guys na binigyan tayo ng hanggang ngayon humihinga pa tayo guys. Ayan. And good health also. So thanks guys. Samahan nyo kami guys. Ayan.
Locked up.
Yes. Samahan nyo kami, pupunta tayo sa church ngayon guys. Grabe. Ang ganda kaya ng weather ngayon guys. I'll show you guys here. See? Very perfect. Perfect. So, ayan, paalis tayo ngayon guys. Samahan nyo kami mag-church. Ayan, Easter day today. So, it's nice to go to church guys. Ayan. So, hindi natin kalimutan na magpapasalamat. Ayan. So, time to go to church today. It's Sunday, Easter day. So, I know that in the Philippines, it's nighttime, yeah? So, here it's morning, like 9 o'clock, yes. 9:34. And then there, it's 10:34 in the nighttime. So, good evening to all of you there in the Philippines. So, guys, the time for church today, yeah, for me here it's morning. So me and my partner go to church today because it's Sunday and it's perfect because it's morning, you know. And then the weather, it's really nice. Wow, so nice to gala guys. It's really nice to go somewhere, you know. So time for gala and time to, you know, just after the church. It's very important guys. Yeah, church muna tayo para mapapasalamat tayo guys na binigyan tayo ng good health and ngayon we still alive. It's very important. And then, you know, that's very, you know, be thankful. Yeah, be grateful. So that's my, you know, and then I'm so very happy because yeah, like the weather is very nice and very perfect to go to the church and go somewhere after. So have a good day in the USA and then good evening to all of you guys in the Philippines. So me for now, we get a church with my partner. So have a good night guys. I know it's evening there in the Philippines. So bye for now. So ayan, tingnan niyo yung weather guys. Napakaganda. Hindi talaga masyadong malamig kaya nakaganito lang kaya tayo, di ba? So bye for now guys. Bye. Ayan, malapit na tayo sa church guys. Ayan, not so far from my house. Ayan. So nandito tayo na sa church guys. Tingnan niyo, merong cross na dyan, di ba? So, hindi ko kayo madala sa loob guys kasi bawal yung mag-video guys. So, hanggang dito na lang tayo sa dito lang tayo guys kasi bawal yung doon sa So, nandito pala tayo sa Immaculate Conception guys, church. Immaculate Conception. So, this is Immaculate Conception guys. So, hanggang dito na lang tayo guys kasi hindi tayo pwedeng maka-video doon. Okay, bye for now guys. Bye. Church.
Shining now.
Yeah, that's so nice. Perfect for the, we're done na our churching guys. Ang dami tao guys. Grabe.